Okay guys, so we got 3 abs exercises. You're going to do them for 30 seconds a piece. There's going to be 2 active and 1 isometric. Okay, so the first exercise is leg flutters. So you're going to be on the deck. There's 2 versions here, either with your head and shoulders on the ground like this. You can support your lumbar by placing your hands at the lower back, heads down, and keep the legs straight and flutter away. If you want to make that a little bit harder, you're going to bring your head and shoulders up off the floor, crunch into it. Keep your hands at the lower back. If you want to make it harder still, you'll come here. You'll go for 30 seconds. From there, we'll just go to a hollow body hold. We'll do the progressions in reverse, so harder to easier. Yep, just hold for 30 seconds. Finally, you will flip straight away. 2 slow mountain climbers. So we're going to bring the knee to the elbow, and again you'll just do that for 30 seconds. Repeat this 3 times, 30 seconds per exercise, resting for 30 seconds to 60 seconds at the end of each set. Okay, share your results with the group, guys.